Hello guys, this is RealityPips here. This is a trade breakdown on the trade that I took today on NAS100. I just thought to just do this trade breakdown to explain my thought process, what I saw before I took the trade, and how I was able to manage the trade to TP. And also I shared this trade to my Telegram community. So if you're not here to my Telegram community, click the link on my bio to join my Telegram community. Right? So I'm just gonna clear my chart. So I'm just gonna explain these two trade. I took a buy, and then I took a sell. So let me just clear my chart. So I'll explain what I saw. So first of all, as you all know, I trade key levels. I'll explain key levels in detail in my previous video. So if you still don't understand how to trade key level, go to my previous videos. You'll see that I make a video on how to trade key level like a pro. So first of all, I go to the line charts. What am I seeing? You seeing the structure well. The line chart helps me to see the structure well. So we are in series of higher highs and higher lows. But at this point, there was a shift in structure, right? There was a shift in structure. So initially, I was looking to sell. I was looking to sell because of the shift in structure. So I had this key level and was expecting price to retest the key level. Price did not retest the key level. It's the price closed above the key level, and the next key level, the next candle rejected it. So this is called a QMR. Okay, this is called a QMR. This price breaks, pulls back, and go. Sometimes it does something like this. Sometimes, sometimes we can see something like this, and just it close, and it just use the key level and buy. So stuff like this can happen, right? So that was what I saw, and I had to capitalize on the buy and target this next key level right here. So as soon as price rejected it, I went to the 45 minutes. So what I do is I refine my key levels. I don't just take it right away. I refine my key level to make sure that the trade actually wants to play out. So I went to the 45 minutes and refined my key level, and I saw a break, and price rejected the key level right here. So that was the confirmation. That was the confirmation that I needed, and I just went all the way to the 5 minutes, which is my entry time frame. 5 minutes or 3 minutes to get my entry. This was where price tested, and there was a breakout here, and that was where I took the trade. It was so fast, so I kind of took a late entry, anyways, and my stop loss was right below this candle, and I just targeted that key level, and that was it. Initially, we were targeting all the way here, but because of this key level, it's best to just place my stop loss at this key level right here. Place my take profit, sorry, at this key level right here. As you can see, price rejected off that key level. So the second trade, as I saw that price was rejecting this key level because ideally, if we have a higher high and we have a higher low and price breaks, now I'm looking for sales. So these are the key levels that I'm waiting for. These are the key levels that I'm waiting for. Price either uses this or uses this QMR or uses this extreme key level. So as long as price has taken out this low, I'm looking for sales. The only time I can look for sell, the only time I can look for buy is once price take out this high. Then price will use this and continue. But so long price have not done that, price is still below, I'm looking for sales, right? So that was what I saw, and I decided to what? Sell because price came and rejected this key level. It did not just really reject this key level, it rejected this Quasimodo key level right here. If I go to line chart, you see it clearly. So that was a huge confluence for me. and I needed to capitalize on this trade. So I scaled down to 45 minutes. I scaled down to like 1 hour to refine the key level, or 45 minutes. But in this case, 45 minutes gave the refined key level. So I had this breakout and a retest right here. And as you can see, that was a huge rejection on the 45 minutes. All I just needed to do was to go to the 3 minutes, which is my entry time frame, to look for same thing, which is a breakout. Okay, price rejected it here, but there was no breakout. Okay, there was no breakout. So price went all the way back in and gave a clean breakout here. This was a breakout. So this was audio confirmation that I needed, and I just had to just enter the trade. And my stop loss was at this high. Why was my stop loss at this high? Because in as much as this is the breakouts, price can still come all the way to this extreme key level. Okay, so I just needed to what? Place my take profit, my stop loss above it, and my take profit was 1:3. Okay, 1:3, and that was it. Not just only 1:3, because I'm not just placing my stop loss randomly. I place my stop loss and my take profit based on logic. Okay, as you can see, this is a key level right here. So it's always advisable to place your take profit at a key level, so a place that you know that price will definitely come. But in this case, I just had to use what a 1:3, and that was how I caught this trade, guys. Okay, that was how I caught this trade, and I also sent this trade to my Telegram community. I sent it to them, as you can see, and this was where I told them buy NAS100, and this was the entry, and I gave them all the stop loss and the take profits, and this was when the trade was moving. As you can see, we had initial take profit at that point, and I told them to adjust to break even. Take profit too was smart, and I told them to take profits because we need to take profit at this region, and that was how we're able to capitalize on these two trades. And yeah, simply by trading just key levels and refined key level. Okay, and I hope you guys learn something from this trade breakdown. And if you want to take advantage of all my trades, if you want to take the trade that I take, do well to click the link on my Telegram, my YouTube bio, and do well to like this video, share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one.